Every installation, including all additions and alterations, require to be inspected and tested to verify that the requirements of the regulations have been met. The inspection process precedes testing and shall normally be done with that part of the installation under inspection disconnected from the supply. Section 643 of BS 7671/2018 identifies 13 tests which, where relevant, should be carried out and the results compared with the relevant criteria. A number of manufacturers of multifunction instruments have produced adapters for testing electric vehicle charging equipment to enable contractors to connect directly to charge points during testing. If we take a closer look at the schedule of inspections, which most electrical contractors will be familiar with, Item 11 on the schedule requires the inspector to list all other special installations or locations present and will have to record the results separately. Electrical vehicle charging installations, Section 722, would come under Item 11. Here are some possible examples of items requiring inspection during initial verification for Section 722. The list of items shown is not exhaustive. It would be up to the inspector to record the results to ensure the requirements of Section 722 have been met. Section 643 of BS 7671/2018 identifies 13 tests which, where relevant, should be carried out and the results compared with the relevant criteria. We've also highlighted certain tests which are not required because certain protective measures are not permitted, such as a non-conducting location and earth-free local equipotential bonding, shall not be used for electrical vehicle charging equipment. Creating a TT earthing system for charging equipment may not be an appropriate solution in certain situations. This was highlighted earlier in the presentation. Earth fault loop impedance, prospective fault current, RCD testing, check of phase sequence rotation, functional testing and verification of voltage drop will be required to be carried out where relevant. We've seen in this presentation several different manufacturers supply adapters to make testing charging equipment easier. The IET's Code of Practice on Electrical Vehicle Charging Equipment Installation provides guidance and outlines best practice for installers on a range of installation issues. It also specifies that the installer shall ensure that the appropriate DNO has been notified of the installation within 28 days in most cases. The notification forms can be downloaded from the ENA website and must be sent directly to the DNO by the installer to notify that the charging equipment has been installed. The ENA website also provides a Word document for notification of single installation or a spreadsheet for notification of multiple installations. The DNO, or District Network Operator, is the company responsible for distributing electricity from the national grid to your home or business. In the UK, there are 14 different district networks, or DNO regions, which are owned by these 6 groups listed on the right. This list of contact details for DNOs can be found on the ENA website. If you have any queries about the notification forms or concerns about the incoming supply, you can call them on any of these numbers, depending on your location. Now, there are several government incentives to encourage uptake on electric vehicles. We have the Home Charge Grants to help with the installation costs and vehicle grants which provide direct support towards the cost of buying an electric vehicle. More information can be found on the OLEV website. If you wish to install electric vehicle charging equipment and be able to claim for the grants on behalf of your customers, you will need to be authorised by OLEV before you start any installations. Now, just before we finish, Select's training department offers a training course on electric vehicle charging equipment installation. The contact details are here on the screen. The course code is 324, or you could obtain the Code of Practice for Electric Vehicle Charging Equipment Installation 4th edition, which is also available from Select. Now, this concludes this refresher session on Amendment 1 to BS 7671/2018, brought to you by Select. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you next time.